God was the first one to be involved in divorce. Did you know that? Did you know in the book of Isaiah, God is the first one to be involved in divorce? That's why uNkulunkulu abuza in Isaiah, where is the bill of divorce that I divorced your mother? God was married to Israel, but God divorced Israel. Why did God divorce Israel? Because Israel was unfaithful. What nagabuye wathola Israel abhizi ngezinyanga, abhizi ngezangoma, abhizi aphahla, abhizi abokhokhe bashona kudala, and God said, I will divorce her because she played the whore. The reason why God hates divorce is because of he experienced divorce. Who can tell a story better than an experiencer? No one. So God knows when a woman is unfaithful, what results it brings. uNkulunkulu yazi ukuthi beka unfaithful what angikhona nangifika ngithola indoda ibhizi lalela. There's nothing that the man hates. Ngifuna ningizwise. There is nothing wonke amadoda usindisiwe listen to this. There is nothing that a male figure hates then athole umfazi abhizi nenye indoda ngamamagama akafuna ukudla khona kudla enye indoda. A man leaves you there. Angazingiso. Amen. Abana kufika lapha indoda eniyahlala. Uimagine na wonke lama process atayi salumthatha. Mina ngishada ngithola umfazi abhizi nenye indoda yazi wenza angeke ngikhiphe isibhamu ngidubula ngihlanje ngalendlela le ngiyahlanya mara ngalendlela le. I will tell the man lalela wena ublame wena my brother tshela le ndoda umuntu owazi iqiniso na ngenza icovenant na mara ngicela enzile favor ngicela salumthatha and angakhipha lelo gama lelo I'll never go back again with no salumthatha. So tholile isecret yami ukuthi kuphi sesiyashare salumthatha wakho because most of the time nayibuyela le ndoda indoda engeyindlela not to say they don't forgive malento ihlala ku subconscious nakabhizi nayo uyazibuza ukuthi this what I'm doing was the man doing the same. Like I said the other day ngishumayela when a woman say ubani ubhetha nobani empedeni ushada isifebe that's a whore. Once akutshela njalo uyacompare you never have joy sexually. Amen. Amen. Never tell a man ukuthi weak ubani lo strong omazini okhuluma njalo. Amen. Amen. Be careful of those words.